Nothing like the sound of a blizzard. Ooh, get over there. Waves are still coming in. Just got myself a little lead leader. They're still coming in. Big waves out there. Well, looks like we got some old concrete pylons sticking out here. Whoa! Comes a big wave. Got a washout burnt right over there in that corner. See that? There's an old pier down in here too. That's a good sign. I got a feeling we're gonna get lucky today. Getting an 1146. Get some more green ones. Come on up here. Something right down in there. Get out of there. Oh, here comes one. Gotta watch these waves. They sneak up on you. It's an old greenie. Whoa, shit. Get out of there. Well, I just took one. Still got my sneakers on, but I got a good signal. Right in there, that clump. See what we got. Oh, yeah. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a Canadian. It's an old Canadian coin. We'll look that over later. Big waves coming in now. Yeah, just got a little something. It's 1243. See. Oh yeah, it's a little charm. Can't tell what's on there. Little charm. Right on this crushed shell layer. Nice little bank. I'm getting these old time pull tabs. That's a real good sign. Got a gold sound here. Yep, looks like a nickel. Bring that up. Yeah, looks like a new nickel. Pretty neat. Got something over here. Getting a 940. Ah. Look at that. I don't know. Oh. It's full of water. We'll watch. Well, did pretty good. Got this watch, and that had been down in the surf for a while, and it's all rusty and water in it, so it's no good. It's an Amatron, I believe. It's a cheap one. Did get a 80% Canadian dime, 1946. I got a plated pendant. It's just plated. Did get a couple of wheat pennies. and I believe it's a war nickel. They get like a tar on them, and I believe that's a war nickel. I'll have to clean it off. Did pretty good on the change too. Got that Canadian quarter. It's funny, they kind of rust out. They've been in salt water. Lots of coins. Little disappointed though. I haven't got any gold. Don't know. Don't know what that's from yet. Still lots of sand on the beach from this summer, and I'm hoping it's going to turn around and it's going to be like it was a few years ago. But pretty good, pretty good. And that CTX, I'll tell you, that's got super target separation. When you're in those junky areas with lots of iron, really separates the targets. But we'll keep going and we'll see what happens. Thanks a lot.